Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create text shortcuts and disable autocorrect on macOS. First of all, we're gonna have to open the keyboard settings. To go there, open System Settings of your device and scroll down to Keyboard on your sidebar. Here in the keyboard settings, let me first of all show you how to disable autocorrection. To do that, click Edit next to your input sources and disable Correct Spelling Automatically feature. You can also disable Capitalizing Words Automatically feature. Then click Done to apply these settings. And now, speaking of text shortcuts or text replacements, they are pretty much just some shortcuts that you can add that will basically provide some data for you. So for example, as you can see, we have Apple replaced by an Apple logo. We have 3 ads for entering our email. We have 2 ads for entering a second email. We also have some additional shortcuts for some other stuff, and if you want to add a new shortcut, you just have to click plus icon in the bottom left corner, then select enter the shortcut. So it can be for example 3 exclamation marks, and in the width field we'll enter hello, click add, and now wherever we enter 3 exclamation marks, it will be replaced by hello. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.